Hello friends, my name is Vikas and today I'm going to talk about how to create a simple Hello World servlet program. Right? So for this we need Eclipse. So I have Eclipse, I have opened the Eclipse. I have the Tomcat configuration set and that I have explained in the first tutorial. You can read that tutorial, you can refer that tutorial. So the Tomcat configuration is already done in this Eclipse. So now what I need to do, I'll just click on File, I'll say New, and I'll go to dynamic web project. If you don't find dynamic web project here, then you can select other and you can click here in the web section. You can go to dynamic web project and you can give the name here. I'll just say first servlet. I have this configuration by default configuration. I will not touch this, or you can just select this Tomcat 7. Yeah, that is necessary. I'll say here next. I'll say here next. I'll select this. I'll explain about this. What is this? This is called deployment descriptor. Finish. So the folder is created here. The project directory called first servlet. And here there are many folders that I'll explain it to you. And this is the web.inf folder which has the description detail that is called web.xml file. If you open this, you will find the deployment descriptor details. These are by default details given here. You can give your custom details as well. And we have our Java resources directory which has a src folder, and here we are going to create a servlet, our servlet. So just right click on this, click new, and just say class. And I'm not creating any package as of now, so I'll just say in the name, I'll say my servlet. I'm going to create a servlet called my servlet, and here, sorry, I don't need this. I'll just select this. I'll say new, and I need to select servlet here. And I don't want any package to be created, so I'm just leaving it. I just want the class name servlet. I'll say here next. I'll say here next. And I don't want any constructors from superclass, so I'll just uncheck this, but I will keep it checked. I need this. I'll say finish. And if you see this, our servlet class has been created. So this is our servlet class name, in which extends HTTP servlet. I'll explain about this some other time. First of all, we have to create our hello world program, which will print hello world. So we have a class called myServlet, and which has two methods declared already, which has come from our parent class. Now, to write a program which will print hello, I'll just create an object of print writer. I'll say print writer out equal to this response. Eclipse is hanging. Say response dot get writer. Now I'll say out dot println, and it will say hello world. Now the red mark was coming here, and which I guess it is has been imported by mistake. So if I just delete this, you will see the error coming here. If I just delete this, you will see the error here. So I just wrote this print writer, and I just click here, and I will import this, and then there is gone. Now this program is written. Now I want to execute this. It should print hello world. Sorry. I don't want to run like this. I'll just click on this and I'll run as server. Run on server. Say next and say finish. And this is coming as 404 error, no problem. My servlet name is here in the annotation, my servlet. Just copy this, Control C, and type it here, and you can see our hello world is coming here. So this is one way to execute our program with the help of annotation. So one annotation, our name of the servlet is my servlet. So I have given it here and it's executing the application. Now I can do the same thing with the help of web.xml file. You can configure your servlet in web.xml file and you can define servlet name, servlet class, and you can do. Let us see that how we can do this. Or I have very limitation. I have a limitation of this video. Actually, I cannot create more than 10-minute video. So I'll explain you how we can create that servlet application with the help of web.xml, right, in the next tutorial. So that's all, friends, for this tutorial. Thank you all.